Have you ever seen one of these before? Well, this is a carbon filter for a cooker hood. So let me show you what they're used for and how you go about replacing one. Hi, Bryn here. Now this is a carbon filter and it sits inside all recirculating air cooker hoods like this one here. Now what you can actually hear are activated charcoal chips, and as the fan draws air through them, the chips remove smoke and odours before recirculating the clean air back into your kitchen through vents at the top of the hood. Now the carbon filter sits behind another separate filter called the grease filter, and you can see me dealing with grease filters in another video. In this video though, I'm going to show you how to replace the two carbon filters on this Hotpoint cooker hood. So when should you change your charcoal filters? Well, that depends on the make and model of your cooker hood, but for most models, anywhere between 4 to 6 months is about as long as any charcoal filter will last. And if you can't remember the last time you changed your charcoal filters, it's probably about time you did it. But don't worry, changing your charcoal filter can be incredibly easy. Now, before you replace the filters, you'll need to make sure you get the right ones for your model, and to do that, you'll need to know your exact cooker hood model number. Now, on an Indesit cooker hood, you'll find this on the inside of the grease filter on a sticker. Simply enter this number into the Indesit service website, where you'll find all the filters for your specific model. Safety first, make sure you switch off your cooker hood before you start doing any work. Now we begin by taking off the grease filter. And then what you want to do is reach inside, take hold of the charcoal filter and turn it anti-clockwise, and it'll come out nice and easily. And then you take your new one, line it back up, turn it clockwise, clicks, and it's in. Do the same for the other side, and then replace the grease filters. Now, your carbon filter might fit slightly differently depending on your model of cooker hood, but the idea is the same. And remember, if you want to replace any of your grease filters, you can watch our videos on that here. And to order any replacement filters or to live chat with one of our service team, visit indesitservice.co.uk.